Hello again, this is Farshid with another video just for you. In this video, I will show you how to patch up a small hole in the wall without using any tape or any support behind the patch. Let's get some supplies and get started. If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. In this repair, I'm patching up a hole that's left behind from an old outlet. First thing to determine is the thickness of the drywall, 1/2 inch or 5/8. Next, you'll need some mud. I prefer to use the pre-mixed mud for small jobs like this. Putty knife, 6-inch will do. A utility knife with sharp blades, sponge, and if you need to texture, perhaps a can of texture. Use your utility knife to cut a piece of drywall that's bigger than what you need, about 1 inch past each side. Then remove the back paper and enough of the drywall so the only thing is remaining is the drywall that fits in the hole and 1 inch of the paper that's extending beyond each side. Apply a fair amount of mud to the patch. Put the patch in the hole. Work the mud using your 6-inch knife until you have a nice smooth surface. Don't worry about the minor imperfections. You can always come back and apply mud later. Wait for a while, then wet the sponge. Gently go over areas that are uneven and try to blend in the patch into the existing drywall. This is called feathering in. Repeat this process a couple times until you get a nice smooth surface. Then wait for it till it dries. If you need to texture, then take a look at my other video on how to texture. There's so many different textures that I have 5 or 6 videos on texturing. So take a look at those. It's that easy. There you have it. You just did a patch without using any tape or any backing behind the hole. Now this only applies to small holes. This was again a hole from an existing outlet, which is I believe 2 inch by 3 inch. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. See you next time.